Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save as vector SVG in Affinity Designer. This is particularly useful when you need to export your designs in a scalable format that maintains crisp quality at any size, perfect for web graphics, logos, or any project where resolution independence matters. Let's start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Make sure your design is ready before proceeding to the export stage. Now head over to the upper left toolbar where you'll find the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. You'll notice another option appears, so click Export again. This action opens up the Export dialog where you can configure all your output settings. On the left sidebar of the Export dialog, you'll see various format options available. Click on SVG to set your export format to scalable vector graphics. At this point, you'll be presented with preset options including digital small size, high quality, or flatten. Each of these presets is tailored for different use cases, so select the one that best fits your project requirements. The high quality option is generally recommended for most professional work as it preserves the maximum detail and flexibility of your vector artwork. Next, you'll want to select your preferred options from the list that appears. These settings allow you to fine-tune how your SVG file will be generated. Take a moment to review these options and adjust them according to your specific needs. Now navigate to the Area section, which you'll find right beside the Format options. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Whole Document. This ensures that your entire design, including all artboards and elements, will be included in the exported SVG file rather than just a selected portion. Once you've configured all these settings, click the Export button to proceed. This will open a file browser window where you can choose the destination for your saved file. In the file browser, select the folder or location where you want to save your SVG file. If needed, you can rename the title at this stage to something more descriptive that helps you identify the file later. This is particularly helpful when managing multiple versions or exports of the same project. Finally, click Save to complete the export process. Your design is now saved as a vector SVG file ready to be used in web projects, further edited in other applications, or scaled to any size without loss of quality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.